Good evening all of you. So clerical reasoning session 30 paper. The first question 66. Only few ICICI is axis, some part of ICICI is not axis. No axis is HDFC. All HDFC is HSBC. Some ICICI can be HSBC. This is ICICI, this is HSBC. I am not given any restriction about these two and they are asking can be. Follows. And some HSBC not axis. They are only telling all HDFC is HSBC. This part of HDFC is not axis. Means this part of HSBC, this part is not at all axis. No? Follows. So both 1 and 2 follows. Option E is the right answer. All tablets are capsules. Only few capsule is syrup. Some part of capsule is not a syrup. No syrup is a medicine. Some syrup is tablet. This is syrup tablet. Not follows. And no, tablet is free. Not follows. But some and no. Syrup and tablet, tablets and syrup. What is the answer? Either are. So option C is the right answer. Then. Family of 3 generations, there are 10 members family. 3 married couples are there in the house. E is the mother of K. So E is the mother of K and sister-in-law of B. So E is the sister-in-law of B. Let us take it as confirmed marriage of E. E is the sister-in-law of B. P, who is the only married child of M, is married to B. So P is the only married child of M. So P is the only married child of M. P is the only married child of M is married to B. So P is married to B. P, who is the mother of G. So B is the mother of G means compulsory P is the father only. Then so B, who is the mother of G, is daughter-in-law of D. Who is that? So B is the daughter-in-law of D. So M and D are married couple. H is the paternal uncle of N. So H is the paternal uncle of N. Then who is the grandson of D? Who is that? N is the grandson of D. So maybe chance of N and take it as H. H is the paternal, father's brother, paternal uncle of N. And who is the grandson means N is the grandson. Both M and G are female members. So G is a female, M is a female, then D is a male person only. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 members. Okay, clarity. Then P is the only married child of M. So condition. What is the remaining person? A is here. Remaining person A is here. A should be plus person. What about K gender? E is the mother of K and sister of E. You don't know the K gender. Okay. Then question number 68. How many male members are in the family? Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The K may be, may not be. So 5 are 6. Option C is the right answer. What is the relation of H with respect to N's mother? N's mother is M for B. And what is the relation of H with respect to B? So H is brother-in-law. So option A is the right answer. 7 people are going to abroad on the 7 different days of the week. Each of them going to 7 different places. The places are namely Canada, USA, Pakistan, something. The weekdays are starting from Monday to Sunday. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. A is going to abroad on Friday. Take it as 2 possibilities. A is on Friday. The person who is going to USA going on Wednesday. So USA going on Wednesday and USA going on Wednesday. Only one person going abroad between Hong Kong and USA. So up to now both are same and take it as here Hong Kong and take it as here Hong Kong. One person between. Then B is immediately after the one who going to Hong Kong. B is immediately after one who going to Hong Kong. Only chance of here and only chance of here is here. Then only one person going abroad between B and the person who is going to Iran. So B and Iran only one person, this is only chance, and B Iran one person, this is only chances. Only 2 people are going to abroad between the person who is going to Iran and C. So Iran C may be chance, Iran C may be chance. In this case Iran C may be chance, Iran C may be chance. So Iran and C, there is a 2 persons. Then F is going to abroad on the one of the days before G. F is going one of the days before G, and E is going to Pakistan. So E is going to Pakistan. Now, more than 2 people are going to abroad between C and F. More than 2 people going to C and F is here. The person going to Russia is going one of the days after the Finland. So Russia is one of the after Finland. The person going to Canada is not going to before Finland. Means Canada is not going to before Finland, means Canada is after Finland only. No? So Canada also after Finland only. But before the one who going to Russia, who is that? Canada. So Canada is before to Russia. So in between Finland and Russia, I want Canada. Okay. Now G is going to abroad immediately after the person who is going to Finland. So G is immediately after Finland chances. So G and F, so many persons is the chances. Only 2 people are going to abroad between F and D. So only 2 people are between F and D. Who is not going to either Russia or Hong Kong. So D is not Russia. So D is not Hong Kong. F is not going to Russia. So F is also not going to Russia. Okay, take it as here. Iran and C, 2 persons, take it as C possibility, take it as C possibility. Take it as both are right side of Iran. And if this is not coming, take it as left side of Iran. Then E is Pakistan. There is only chance for E Pakistan in this case. And there is only chance for E Pakistan, maybe chance of here, E Pakistan, maybe chance of here. And the next, F and D, there is a 2 persons I want. If there is a F, if there is a D, if there is a D, if there is a F is here. Now, F is before the G. If I take it as F, there is not chance for G. So compulsory F only chance of here and 2 persons, D only chance of here. In this case, F is before the G and G is immediately before Finland. What is that saying? G going to abroad immediately after Finland. Okay, if there is a G, Finland, and if there is a G, Finland. Wait. Now, in this one, E Pakistan I want, there is only chance for E Pakistan. There is only chance for G. And there is not chance for Finland. So, uppercase is not possible. Now, in this one, F and D, here F is here, F is before the G, there is no chance for G. So, confirm G is here, sorry, D is here, and confirm F is here, and confirm G is here. So, G is after Finland, this is only chance of Finland. And Finland, Russia, in between I want Canada. So, Finland, Russia, in between there is a chance of Canada. So, this is Canada, and this is Russia. So, this is done. D is not Russia, Hong Kong. So, D is Iran. F is not Russia. So, F is Hong Kong. So, this is done, this is done, this is done, this is done. So, this is perfect. Then C is going to abroad. Question number 70. C is going to abroad on which of the following day? Sunday. An option C is right answer. How many people are going to abroad after G? How many people is there? 4 people. More than 3. Option D is right answer. The person who is going to Thursday is going on which of the following country? Thursday belongs to Iran. Option D. Which of the following statement is definitely true? Wednesday, Hong Kong, Pakistan? Wednesday, no. D. Sorry, Wednesday, Hong Kong, no. D, Pakistan? No. C, Thursday? No. B, Monday? No. C, Russia? Option E is the right answer. Who among the following person is going to Canada? Canada going to A. Option C. Then, here, 75 to 77, 7 persons, company, each of them different ages. The one who is youngest is 20 years, eldest is 50 years. Eldest is 50 years, youngest is 20 years. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 persons. Payal is older than Pooja. Payal is older than Pooja, but younger than Ankit and Nikhil. Pooja is older than only 2 persons. There is only chance of Pooja. Manoj is elder than Ankit. Manoj is elder than Ankit, but younger than Nikhil. So, Ankit, Nikhil, I want Manoj chances. Based on this condition, I will fix that here. Okay. Now, Preeti is not the youngest person. So, above the Pooja, I want Payal, Ankit, Manoj, Nikhil. And the last Preeti is not the youngest. There is only chance of Preeti and remaining person. Perfect. Then who is the second eldest among all? Manoj. Option D is the right answer. How many persons are younger than Payal? Younger than Payal, how many persons? 3 persons. Option A is the right answer. If Manoj is 40 years of age, okay, and Payal is 30 years of age, okay, then what is the possible age of Ankit in between 45 to 35? 45 to 35, what are the chances? 40 only. Either 38 also. So either 40 or 38. Option C and D. Either 40 or 38. Then 14 persons sitting in 2 parallel rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. J, K, L, M, N, O sitting facing south. J, K, L, M, N, O. 14 persons sitting in 2 parallel rows, each other. I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Okay. Then here P, Q, R, S, T, U, P facing north direction. M is third right of J, none of them sit on the end of the row. So M is third right of J, none of them sit on the end of the row. So the M and J are facing south now. Okay. M is third right of J. If the J is here, first right, second, third right, M is here. If the J is here, first right, second, third right, M is here. 2 possibilities. Then T is the right of V, who sit opposite to J. Who is that? V is opposite to J. So V is here and V is here. V is opposite to J. T is right of V, take it as neighbor, take it as neighbor's place. Okay. There is not the chances, take it as here. And T is right of V. The number of persons in between V and T same as S and U. V and T same as S and U. V and T no person, S and U also no person. S is second left of P. S is second to the left of P. Q is third left of R. So Q is third to the left of R. If I take it as R, Q chance. If I take it as R, Q chance. If I take it as R, Q, there is not chance for SP. So only chance of here R and only chance of here Q, only chance for S, only chance for P, and only chance for U. S and U no person, T and P and T also no person. Okay. Now in this case, again if I take it as R, first and second and third right, Q is here and P is here and S is here and S and U not possible. If I take it as R is here, Q is here, and the next P is here, S is here, U is here. So S and U no person, P and T also no person. Okay. Then I is third right of N. N is immediate right of L. So N is immediate right of L. I want 2 places. And I is third right of N. If I take it as N is immediate right of L. N is immediate right of L means I is third right of N. There is not chance of here. I. So N and L not possible. Take it as N and L only. Now first and second and third right, I is here. If I take it as N and L, I is third right of N, first and second and third right, I only chance. The number of persons between K and I is 1 more than the Q and P. Q and P how many persons? 3 persons. Then K and I 1 more means 4 persons. Not possible. 1, 2, 3, 4 persons not possible. Then here, so inner case is not possible. K and I 1 more than the Q and P. Q and P how many persons? 0. Then K and I 1 person. So this is a K. And remaining person is O. That's it. Question number 78. Who among the following persons is third left of V? First, second, third left of V is U. U, the one who is immediate right of? Yes. Yes. Option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. What is the position of N from the left hand? From the left hand, what is the position of N? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From the left hand means 6th or second hand. Then all are facing south only. From the left hand means second. Option A. Option A is right answer. How many persons is between M and J? M and J how many persons? 2 persons. Again option A is the right answer. Who among the following pair is the person are not sitting together? N and L sitting together. T and R sitting together. P, Q neighbors. J, N neighbors. K, I not neighbors. These two are not sitting together. They are asking not. Option E is the right answer. Which of the following is true? P is second left of T? No. Only one person is between J and L? Yes. So they are given already first is not follows, only B is right answer. 10 persons in the level 5-story building, the ground floor is number 1, top floor is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each floor has 2 flats, A and B. A is west of B. So there is a 2 flats of each floor. Take it as 2 possibilities. A is west of B and A is west of B. Okay. Then M lives 2 floors below the L. Who lives on the same flat as Q? M lives 2 floors below the L and L and Q lives in the same flat. But not exactly above. Q and L same flat. Same flat. Okay. The number of floors above the L is same as number of floors below the Q. Q lives in the immediate southwest of flat U. Q is immediate southwest of flat U. The number of floors between U and L is same as Q and S. Let us take it as here. M lives 2 floors below the L. Who lives in the same flat as Q. The number of floors above the L is same as below the Q. If I take it as above the L is 1 floor, below the Q also 1 floor, and there is a 1 person, L and M 1 person. I will take it as easier. Then above the L no person, below the Q also no person, and L and M may be chance of here, may be chance of here. Okay. If they are telling Q and L same flat means, so that's why I am taking it as Q and L. Okay. Now L and M may be chance of here, may be chance of here. But in this case only chance of here M, so I will take it as here M. The next, Q lives on the immediate southwest flat of U. So this is only immediate. There is only chances. There is only immediate. There is only chances. Next, the number of floors between U and L same as Q and S. U and L no. Q and S also no. And Q and S does not live in the same flat. So only chance of S is here. L and U no flat. Q and S also no floor, no floor, no floor. Then L and U 2 floors. Q and S also 2 floors. In between S and Q not in the same flat means only chance of S is here. Okay. And P lives immediately above the flat of T. So P lives immediately above the flat of T. Should be the same flats. So flat B is not possible. In this case, maybe PT, only chance of here P and T. Only chance of here P and T. In this case, maybe PT, maybe PT. Okay. Now, the number of floors between P and U is 1 more than the number of floors between Q and N. So P and U 1. This is 1 more than the Q and U means Q and U must be 0. Yes or no? P and U is 1 more than the Q and N. Already P and U is 1. Means Q and N must be 0. Then who lives below the M? Who is that? N lives below the M. So only chance of N is here. Because of Q and N 0. Then below the M, P and U, you cannot confirm P and U is here. Just I will take it as P and T is only chance for M. P and U, no person. This is 1 more, not possible. So only chance for here P and T, and only chance for here M. P and U was already 1. This is 1 more than the Q and N, means Q and N 0. Then who is below the M? Maybe chance of N. Only chance of N. That's it. Maybe not. Not maybe. Only chance. Next. Q and N does not live on the same floor. Okay. Same flat they are living. Not same floor. Okay. R lives one of the floor above the O. R lives one of the floor above the O. There is only chance of R and O. There is only chance of R and O. But does not live in the same floor as L. Who is that? R is same floor as L is here. This case not possible. This case is possible. So R does not live in the same floor of L is here. With R and L same floor. Then question number 83. Who among the following person lives immediately above the flat of L? Immediately above the flat of L, who among the following person? Who is that? R person. The one who lives in the same floor of P? Yes. Option A is the right answer. Who among the following person lives on the flat B? Flat B. P flat B? Yes. The one who lives on the same floor of O? Yes. Q? No. N? No. Only 1 and 2. Option E is right answer. What is the direction of L with respect to S? North, west. Option A is right answer. On which of the following floor and flat does N lives? N lives first floor, A flat. Floor 1, flat A. Option B. Floor 1, flat A. How many floors are above the one who lives on the same floor of S? Same floor of S is N only. How many floors above? 4 floors. Option A is right answer. It is possible to meaningful word use in the 2nd, 5th, 6th, 11th. Second is E, 3, 4, 5 R, 6 is A, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is D. So dear is one of the meaningful word, read is one of the meaningful word. 2 meaningful word. Whatever it is. DARE, dare also one of the meaningful word. If no such word found, mark is answer T. If more than one, M is answer. So option B is right answer. Option B is right answer. Then 89. They are telling F2 B is going or not going. F2 E is going, E2 C is going, C2 B is going. With luggage, with luggage, with luggage, with luggage. Follows. C2C not going, there is no route to C at all in this case, and here C2B is going and B2A also not going. Not follows. Only one is true. U2Q going or not going, U2T is going, T2S is going, S2R is going, R2P is going, with luggage, with luggage, with luggage, with luggage. But individually not follows, but the combination follows. Then what is the answer? Either or. Both are not follows. Yeah, Q less than is equal to U. Then both the combination not follows. The both the combination will follow, then go with either or. If individually follows, then only go with both 1 and 2. Here. Then K2O. Then K2M is going, M2O is going. Without luggage, follows. Q2N. Q2O is going, O2N is going, without luggage, follows. So now the both 1 and 2 follows. Then alphanumeric set. How many such numbers? In the above arrangement, each which is immediately followed by letter and also immediately preceded by consonant. Letter means it may be chance of either vowels and consonants combination. It may be vowels also chances. But it should be not a chance of A, not a chance of E, not a chance of I, not a chance of O, not a chance of U. Okay? Now, target the number. Before number there is a consonant, one letter. S is here. Before number no, before number no, before number no. Before number no. This number no. Then here 4 no, 1 no. Only 1 is here. Which of the following element is 12th to the left of third symbol from the right hand? First symbol, second symbol, third symbol. And they are asking 12th to the left of. Third symbol means you have to go with third symbol only. First, second, third. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12th one is what? Fifth. Option C is right answer. What will become in the next of place of question mark? E2 exclamation. E2 exclamation. 1 gap, 2 gaps. And exclamation to 5 again 1 gap. 5 to C 1 gap. C to 8 2 gaps. Again starting with 1 gap D. So question mark 1 gap I want yes, and yes 1 gap hash, and 2 gaps 4. S hash 4. Option D is right answer. If all the numbers are dropped from the series, then which element will be the 6th element to the left of, 10th element from the left hand of the new arrangement? 6th to the left of, 10th element from the left hand. Both are left. Should be subtraction. 10 minus 6. 4th from the left hand after removing of numbers. And come on, 1, 2, 3, 4. What's that? F is here. Then 8 people, square shaped table. 4 people are sitting at the 4 corners of the table. Okay, you know the corners, no need to draw the square. So this is corner only. And 4 corners of the table are faced outside the center. So outside, corners are facing outside. The middles are facing inside. Now, only one person between H and G who does not sit corner. G, H is here, G, H is here. One person between H and G. B is third left of G. First left, second left, third left, B is here. First left, second left, third left, B is here. C is second right of F, who sit middle of the side. So C is second right of F, who is middle of the side. So this middle not possible, this middle not possible. If I take it as this middle, there is not chance for C. And only F, then only C. And this middle not possible, this middle not possible. If I take it as this middle, C not possible. Only chance of F and C. Number of people sit between C and G when counted right of G. C and G, right of G. Okay. The same as B and D when counted left of B. B and D when counted left of B. So G and C, right of G, 1, 2, 3, 4 members. Sorry, 5 members. Then D and B, left of B, 5 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members. There is only chance of D. And left of G, so right of G, 1, 2, 3 members. And left of B also 3 members. There is only chance for D. A is second left of E. A is second left of E. There is only 2 chances, not second left chances. Then A is second left of E. There is only chance of here E, A. So A is second left of E. That's it. Then question number 96. What is the position of E with respect to G? Immediate left. Option D is right answer. Who sit third right of the one who faces H? Who faces H? C. Third right of C, first and second, third right is A. Option B. Who sit third left of F? First left, second left, third left. A. Option B. Find the odd one out. D and H, neighbors. G and A, neighbors. C, G, not neighbors. F and B neighbors, C and E neighbors. So C and G only not neighbors, remaining all are neighbors. Option C is right answer. How many people sit between D and B when counted right of D? Right of D, D and B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members. Option more than 3. Option B is right answer. Freedom all of you. And thank you all of you.